how to log in WhatsApp with your Gmail accounts. So first of all, you will have to open the WhatsApp app on your device. So simply open the WhatsApp app, and now from here you will have to go with the three dots just at the top right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it, and now from here you will have to go with the option settings. Okay, so from here you will have to go with the options account. So simply tap on this account. Okay, now from here you will have to go with the option email address. So you have to tap on that email address option. All right, so from here you can now add the Gmail or email on your WhatsApp account. So simply you have to click on this add email option. Okay, so as you can see now on this interface, I have to add a Gmail account on this WhatsApp account. So likewise on the procedure of adding phone number on the WhatsApp account, you will get such code on your Gmail account too. So after you confirm the Gmail account on your WhatsApp account, you will be able to connect your WhatsApp with the Gmail account, and now you can log in the WhatsApp with your Gmail account. So this is the easiest and simplest method to link or connect the Gmail account with your WhatsApp. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.